Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Hey Madeex, how much time I tell you for more from in front of people in business place?
Gyardy, me just there I wonder how astronaut got the moon and them not got the sun.
Madeex, you're really mad for true. How them for go the sun? You know see how sun hot?
You a idiot, then them no can go in at the night.
Leave the area, your mother shad. You come back at people in business place, leave the area.
Where? So you favor John Crow.
Hey Madeex, you know you try my patience. Mind me if you use my button upon you, you know.
I just the time me I try find out.
Where madman want no time for? You don't have no use for time, so move up. You come back again, me I gonna mash you up now.
Nobody mash me up. Just tell me what time it is and then me leave.
Oh, you're so interested in that time. Why you want to know the time?
Tell me the time and then me tell you why.
At just 1 o'clock now. So why you want to know the time?
Cause when at 3 o'clock, you fi come kiss me ass. Why? Why? Murder! Help! Why? Help! Why? Murder! Help! Bobby, save me. He might run me down to catch me.
Gyardy, is where Madeex do make you run him down.
The mad boy bright. But when 3 o'clock come kiss him ass.
What? Seriously? And that him tell you for do?
Yeah man. You know see same bright. That's why I want to catch him.
But Gyardy, you're kinda early still cause I not 3 o'clock yet. I just 1:15.